First off, let me just say a massive congratulations. You know, passing an AWS exam is a huge deal. You've made it to the best part, the final step, which is getting that official proof of all your hard work. So we're going to walk through exactly how to download your certificate and claim your shiny new badge step by step. And seriously, just take a second to let that sink in. You put in all those hours, you wrapped your head around some really complex stuff, and you absolutely conquered a tough exam. That's a major, major accomplishment. So you should be incredibly proud of what you've done to get here. Okay, the hard part is officially over. So are you ready to claim your trophy? Let's get that certificate and badge into your hands. I promise the process is super simple, it's fast, and will guide you through every single click.
All right, let's start with the main event, getting that official PDF certificate. The best news? AWS has made this a really straightforward three-step process. We're going to break it down right now so you know exactly what you're doing.
The whole thing really just boils down to these three key actions. You sign in, you navigate to your account, and you download. That's it. So let's walk through each one so there are absolutely no surprises. First things first, you're going to head over to the AWS Training and Certification portal. Now, here's the most important part of this whole thing. You have to sign in with the exact email address you used when you registered for the exam. That's how AWS connects your amazing results to the right account. So once you're logged in, look up to the top right corner of the page. You should see your name up there. Just give that a click, and a little drop-down menu will pop up. From that menu, go ahead and select Your Account. That'll take you to your main dashboard, and you'll see a few tabs. The one we're looking for is Certification. And right there on that Certification tab, you're going to look for a section called Achieved Certifications. And there it is. Your brand new cert will be sitting right there in the list. Right next to it, you'll see that magic button, Download Certificate PDF. Go ahead and click it, and the file will download straight to your computer. Easy as that. But wait, we're not done yet. Beyond that official PDF, AWS also gives you a digital badge. And this thing is a really powerful tool for showing off your new credential online. So let's take a quick look at how you can claim it. So, what's the difference between the two? Well, think of it this way. The certificate is your formal record. It's the official document you might attach to a resume or keep for your files. The badge, on the other hand, is made for the digital world. It's this verifiable, clickable icon you can pop right onto your LinkedIn profile or in your email signature, and it gives you instant social proof of your skills. And getting your badge is just as easy. On that same Achieve Certifications page, you'll see a button for Digital Badge. Clicking that will take you over to a platform called Credly. From there, you just accept your badge, and then you can share it directly to LinkedIn or even download the image itself. Now, what if you log in and you don't see your certificate? Okay, first thing, don't panic. This actually happens sometimes, and the fixes are usually really simple. Let's go over the two most common roadblocks just to make sure you have a totally smooth finish. The first thing you need is just a little bit of patience. See, after you pass your exam, it can sometimes take up to 5 business days for the official results to get processed and for that certificate to actually show up in your account. So if you don't see it right away, just give it a few days before you start to worry. So just to recap those two big ones, if your certificate isn't visible, give it up to 5 business days. If it's been longer than that, the next step is to double, maybe even triple check that you've logged in with the exact email you used for your exam registration. 9 times out of 10, that solves the problem. Okay, so you've done the hard work, you've passed the test, and now you've downloaded the proof. So, what's next? Let's talk about putting this fantastic new achievement to work for you. And hey, one last little practical tip. If you're clicking around wondering where that file went, your PDF certificate will almost always end up in your default downloads folder. Doesn't matter if you're on a PC, a Mac, or even a mobile device. That's always the first place to look. All right, it is officially time for action. You have everything you need. You've downloaded the PDF for your own records. So now, go share that awesome digital badge from Credly. And probably most importantly, go update your LinkedIn profile. Adding this certification is such a powerful signal to your professional network and, of course, to recruiters. And really, that's all there is to it. You've earned this. You've got the certificate, you've got the badge, and you've got the knowledge. So the only question left is the most exciting one of all. How are you going to leverage this new certification to take that next big step in your career?